Hello guys. Happy Wellness Wednesday. We are back with day 3 of our 12 days of Christmas, and I'm so excited to share with you this offer, this deal just for you. So I know that so many people are waiting until the new year to do something to really kickstart their health. And oftentimes this means doing some kind of detox, especially after all of the sugary things, the alcohol, all of the things that we typically may eat during the Christmas break. So if this is you, I have an amazing offer, which is my 7-day natural detox program, which is literally just 7 days of recipes and things that you can implement in your life to help you naturally detoxify your body. Not only that, you can get this program for 50% off. So I'm going to put the link down below for the program, and it's the 7-day natural detox. Right up front, you get 7 days of recipes. You can try all of them or some of them, as well as it has a grocery list and all the things that you will need, such as educational things, ways you can incorporate better sleep, clean up your environment to help with your natural detoxification. Not only that, people have done this program in the past and they've seen amazing results, such as like losing 3 pounds in 7 days, feeling lighter. One of the ones that I love the most is that one woman said she lost all the weight that she'd put on over the Christmas break, and then someone else said it actually helped them to banish their sugar cravings. So there's so many benefits to doing this kind of natural detox, and you don't need any, supplements if you don't want to use them. There's lots of whole foods, lean proteins, healthy fats that can help you to reinvigorate your digestive system and help to really amplify your most important digestive and really detoxification pathway. So make sure to go to the link below to get the 7-day natural detox and use this code DETOX2023, which will give you 50% off. So the code is DETOX2023, and that's all in caps. So go ahead and check it out. This is one of my favorite programs because it's literally just 7 days, and if you love it, you can always do it again. So go ahead and check out the 7-day natural detox for 50% off today, and I'll be back tomorrow with more of the 12 days of Christmas. Thanks guys, see you then.